Do you have grumpy knees? Do you have a hard time squatting? Maybe it's a problem with range of motion. The best thing for grumpy knees and arthritis really is range of motion. So, the full version of this is how well can you kneel on the ground and then sit on your heels? Maybe you don't do that very often. Maybe you can't do that. So, I have put together a few ways that you can gradually progress into this position and work on that range of motion, and a couple exercises that you can do once you get to that range of motion or wherever you are at in that range of motion. So, hopefully, it'll get some good new range, some better activation, some more mobility, so you can have some happier knees to move better and feel better. Of course, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I will see you on the next one.